Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul and a bit of a Tuesday and a little bit of a Tuesday morning haul. I went to the Dollar Tree and I was looking around in their, it's like a crafting decor section, and they had these really nice photos, and I want to finally get something up on the walls in my craft room. So I picked these up. They're gorgeous. Let me see if I can bring you down a little bit. There. They're gorgeous. Look at this one. So I saw this one. There was this one. I got this one because I want to do something else with it. I got this one. It's a ballerina-like one. I want to do something with that. And then what I was doing, what I played with, was I had this Dollar Tree canvas board, the Dollar Tree canvas board, and I said to myself, let me bring you back up a little bit so you can see her. So I had the Dollar Tree canvas board, and sorry, I had to disappear for a second, had to put my dog out. So I had the Dollar Tree canvas board, and I said, what if I take one of these pictures and put her on the canvas board and do something? So this is what I came up with. And so I could put her on my wall in my craft room. So I gave her a little of I cut the top half of her off, gave her a bit of a tutu dress to hang her on the wall. And then I took some of these, just so you know, most of this stuff is Dollar Tree. I used this Dollar Tree, these backer things. They're wallpaper creations. So they have a whole bunch of different ones there. And I took this one and put it on the back there for my background. And I'll show you another project I did with these Dollar Tree things. Tell me what you think of this. I think they're going to look pretty good hanging on a little section on my wall in my craft room, and they were kind of fun to make, and I think she came out gorgeous. I think she came out simply gorgeous. I'm hoping I don't have much glare on it so you could see. I think she came out gorgeous. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about this project. Okay, so like I said, I bought these. I bought them because I said there's a lot of things I could do with them. I can't use them on a wall because if you actually use these wallpaper things on a wall, you know how many of these things you would need just to fill up a wall? But they say you can use them on a wall and everything like that. So I bought that one. And I bought this one that I already used. And what I used it for was, I had this Dollar Tree book, and I wanted to cover it. The book was black, so I covered it with this wallpaper stuff. So it came out pretty nice. I think it came out really nice. So it's just a book, and you know, sometimes I don't really like a plain black book. I like something on it, and I would have put some stickers on it or something. But this is a good idea. So think about it when you go to the store and get that. And I also bought this one because I want to cover some other stuff that I have and a couple more books and stuff. So go over in that section. It's in the same section with the decor. Check that out because they have these, and you can use these for a myriad of things. You don't have to use them on a wall. You know how we crafters are. We see something and we imagine it totally different. So then they were putting out some more of their vinyl, which I am going to use this weekend. I picked a few up for a friend also to get them because her dollar store doesn't have them. So I'm going to make sure I get those to her. So I picked up these two, the buffalo plaid ones. And the dollar store is always putting out stuff. So they were putting out some new stickers and a couple old stickers that I hadn't seen before. So these were the word stickers, and I hadn't seen these in my store before. And I'm always, you know, doing something with words. So I decided to take this out, and I wanted it especially because it had dance, and I bought that ballerina wall thing, and I wanted to make that into, I wanted to use that ballerina on it. It's like I wanted to use, let me see if I can explain that. I wanted to use her. I wanted to use her on a card. I wanted to use her on a card for a friend who's into dance. And dancing is her happy place, and she says it helps her cope, so I wanted to make her that. So they had new stickers. They had new travel stickers. I bought this one because it reminds me of the phone booth. That's the phone booth for Doctor Who, so I can always use that. So I got that. They had a movie one, and most of my stickers, I kind of use them in my planner, and I use them on cards and stuff like that, so I got this one. Always get these if you see them, because these are fantastic. The dollar store has some of the best rub-ons for $1. And you might as well pick them up before they maybe not be $1 anymore. Got the summer ones, got the 2 summer ones, because I didn't see them last summer, and I was thinking, oh, look at the flip-flops and the and the little Chuck Taylor-like shoes, and you got the kebabs, the hats, the bathing suit, everything. So it says summer and camping, but you can use it for whatever you want. Then I picked up this 3D craft kit with Christmas, and I'm going to put that together. I think I want to put it inside like a little shadow box and do that. So I think I'm going to decorate that for a shadow box. So that's one of my projects. When I get that done, I'll let you know. I'm always needing this foam tape because I put it on everything. So I got that. Let's see. I picked up these ones. These are new. This one's new. It's like scripture sayings. Don't be afraid, just believe. She is strong. Proverbs. Pray continually. 1 Thessalonians. Love. 1 John. Let your light shine. Matthew. And let all that you do be done in love. 1 Corinthians. So these are good to have. And you know what a coffee drinker I am. So I got these for my coffee theme. And I couldn't pass it up. Besides the coffee theme, look at him. Could I have passed up a dog theme thing? No, I can't. No, I can't. Picked up some more of the Harvest Words. So I got some of those. And I had this lying around. I remember I got it, but I don't know if I showed it to you guys already. I want to decorate like a book box or something like that. And I love dragons. I love dragons. I just like all things dragon. And so I got this. What I want to do is I just want to pop this out, color it, you know, put some gesso on it, color it, and change him into a blue dragon. I don't need this part in particular, but I just wanted the dragon piece, and it was $1, so I picked that up. Then, when I showed you my, when I did the walkthrough for Tuesday morning, I didn't pick up a lot of stuff. I only picked up 2 things in that walkthrough, but I just did the walkthrough to show you what they had. And if you hadn't seen that video, I'll hook it in my description box so you could see it. So I bought the Crafter's Companion Spectrum Noir. They are watery active dyes, and they said they're really good for blending and distressing. So I wanted to try these. I think they're similar to the Tim Holtz Distress inks, but it may be a little bit different. So I wanted to try that, just to have something different in my stash. And as I said, I'm still working on my Halloween crafting. Still working on my Halloween crafting. And so while I was there, I picked up the Boo Crew from Simple Stories. These are their the papers that are in it. It's one of these kits that they have, and I like the kits. I do like the kits because I don't, this came in it. I don't have to go searching for ephemera or anything like that. Everything's kind of included. I don't have to go out looking. So they're beginning to have more stuff in Tuesday morning. My people said they're beginning to get more as they can get stuff on the trucks. At first, it may not be a lot, but they're beginning to get stuff that you can go back in and find, and you can get it right now instead of ordering online, because I was going to order this. So this is the Boo Crews, and this is their journal bits, and you get 39 pieces in there, and this is what you get, and I really like it. I like the spider where it says Haunted Memories. I like that. I like the trick-or-treating ghost. And I like the I just like these. And look at the little pumpkins there. Little pumpkins there. So that's pretty cool. They also give you, because I looked at this pack already, they also give you a Starry Night stencil to go with it, in case you want to stencil something. And the good part about it, oh man, and the good part about it too is that you already get the stickers too. It's all included in there. I think the only thing you don't get is the chipboard. And if they threw the chipboard in there, you'd be set. And I like this little guy here because I've been working with my Tim Holtz. I don't think I have it here on my desk. I've been working with my Tim Holtz Colorize, the Tim Holtz Colorize, and I had just completed my little mummy there, so I can do a little scene and put him in the back with my little mummy, and I just liked everything on there. So this is my dollar store Tuesday morning haul. Tell me what you think. I'm glad you stopped by today. To all my new subscribers, thank you so very much. If you're not a subscriber, please press that subscribe button. I'm trying to get on my road to like 400 subscribers, and I'm almost there. So help me out. Press that subscribe button. Press that bell when it comes up so you know the next time I upload a video, because I'm working on a few things. Like I said, I'm going to finish up my Halloween crafting, and I already shared some of the things I made, and I got some new stuff that I'm making. Also, don't forget, give me a like, pick up these things at your dollar store. I'm going to say this is my find of the week at Dollar Tree. Pick these up because these are going to be fantastic in your crafting. And they had a whole bunch of different ones. One lady bought a whole stack. So just pick them up. She's probably going to do a wall. But pick these things up. You can use them for a lot of things. You can even put this as a card back and just put your little saying on top of it. It's a lot of stuff you can use this for. So pick these up when you see them. I'll catch you all in the next video. And don't forget to tell me what you think about my girl picture that tell me what you think about this girl that I made. And would you do something like this for your craft room? Or would you actually give this, would it be something you would give to somebody that you think they might like? Let me know. See you in the next video. Be the reason somebody smile. Have a fantastic week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.